bytes properly. Okay, we'll check. So okay, so illness is 8 byte. This is fine. I mean, we should give the overall field. So what is the field length basically? Ill name is 10 bytes. Okay, give the 10 bytes. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and 8, 9, 17, 18, 19, 19, 19, 29. Let us give it as 31. So I think now it should work, I guess. We'll see. I mean, I'm issuing a GU call with qualified SSA. Okay. We'll just submit it. Okay, and then we'll run it. Axis 8. Okay, we'll check what is the Axis 8. Something is wrong. Axis 8. A period. Okay, a period was missing. Let me put on the period. We can re-verify it again. So 1, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 19, 20, 30, 31. Okay, so 31 would be good. Okay, we got max CC. Now we will run the job. Okay, max CC 0. Okay, we'll check the. I mean, you will get max CC 0, but status code matters. Okay, here it pick the data. So status code is spaces, and as I told, it will be placing the first line. So as you can see, it took the entire data IO area, right? 0101 2000 flu is what we have given in the flu type basically. So it took the entire this thing. So this is the GU call. Let's move on with the GN call. Okay, so GN call will go one by one. Suppose take like okay, we'll just need to first we will issue GN with unqualified card. Unqualified card is nothing but not giving SSA. Okay, so we'll change the status, I mean function as GN. GN should be 4 bytes. Okay, because you are, I mean GN call should be 4 bytes. Yeah, sometime yeah, give the 4 bytes function call, otherwise sometimes it will throw error. So that is one thing, and here we don't need count for this because it will, I mean GN, as I told, it will go one by one, right? Sequentially, so it will reach the end of database, and it won't go inside the loop. So for GN you should handle only GB code till end of database. Okay, so let me run this. I have removed the SSA, so it's like a unqualified card. Okay, so okay, so let me submit this as well. Okay, max is 0. You check it here. Now how the call works. Okay, it will go one by one in the loop. See, find or, I mean it won't work. Find area. So this is how it works. So let me take my input as well. Okay, so this is my input. First is the patient 001, and then the illness, and then the treatment. This is the hierarchical order we have loaded, right? The same things follow. See, first it is going to say the patient, okay, and then illness, and then the treatment, okay, and then the billing, and then the payment, and at last household. So top to bottom, left to right, you can see it here, top to bottom, left to right, billing and the payment. So in the first call it fetches the patient field, and in the second call it patient illness field. So and next it went to the next root segment. Okay, patient, illness. So this is how GN call works. I think you guys got the point, right? Let me move on to the next. GN with the qualified call, that is giving SSA, right? So we'll issue a GN with the qualified call. So if I'm giving some qualified call, okay, uh, let us give, where is it? Read. So let me put unqual. Okay, yes, this would be easier. And let me put the value as what, illness, right? Illness, yeah. So this is the unqualified SSA call. Okay, I'm removing this thing. Okay, so now how it works? Since I have given the SSA, it will put the parentage on the parentage on the illness field. Okay, and then it will put the parentage on, and it will retrieve all the illness field data one by one. That's how it will work. Okay, and we will, okay, run it and see the output. So it should fetch, as per my coding, it should fetch only the illness field data, right? Because I'm giving the parentage there basically. We'll see. So yeah, so that's what, till, see, at the last it threw GB call and it came out. So it is fetching one by one, malaria, jaundice, illness segments. Okay, and this GN, GN with qualified is same as GU with qualified. You are giving the only thing is that if the qualified, if there are two to three datas are there with the search field, in the GN it will, the three fields will be, I mean the entire three fields will be, you will get it in an output, but in GU you will get only the first field, right? So that's the difference. Okay, let us move on to the GNP call. So see like how the GNP call works. Hmm. So GNP, as I told, where is it? Sorry. Mm, mm. GNP, you should put a parentage in, just issue. I mean, you should put a parentage, right? And I told you guys, right? So I'm putting a parentage. Using GU. Okay, I should have coded differently. Okay, fine. Function GN. You can use GN or GU. Okay, it's your wish for putting the parentage and GNP. Hmm. So now what it does basically I'm putting the parentage in where we can put, if you are not issuing any SSA, it will put the parentage in patient. Okay, but right now I'm putting the parentage in illness. Okay, illness. Okay, because I'm using this qualified unqualified. Okay, I'm putting the illness parentage. So illness would be the parent, and get next parent will get all the what will get all the parents, I mean dependents details. See, if I'm issuing patient, I think patient would be more appropriate. If I'm putting the parentage in patient, it will get the illness treatment. Okay, illness treatment billing. Let me, okay, go one by one. First we'll go with the illness treat illness call. So if I'm putting the parentage in illness, it is gonna retrieve only the treatment segments, right? uh, Okay, so here SSA illness, and I'm not giving any call. I mean, and give the this thing as GNP. Okay, so parentage needs to be set for GNP call. Once the parentage is set, it will retrieve the data. Hmm? Okay, so we'll run. So as per my program, it should get all the what? All its dependents. I mean, after running the patient only you will get an idea. But anyway, first I will run this thing. Okay. Next, I'm planning to run it with patient segment as well, so that you guys can know how it works. It is going inside the loop, I guess. Why? Let me check. Okay. Maybe you should handle GE as well. See, end of database it will come for. Let me check whether it is throwing GE or not. Yeah, it is showing G. See, as here status code. See what happened. See, once illness has fetched this treatment, eh, uh, then it is not having any segments, right? Basically, it is get next parent. See, it's not like it needs to move here. So that's the thing. You should handle the GE as well. See, if I coded like if GE issue another one GN call, it will, I mean, basically, what till this house, after household only it will be GB. Okay, basically, like as per the current thing, we should have coded GE as well, saying like once you reach GE, make the call as I mean end the loop. Okay, for our case. So if patient is there, and it will fetch all the illness treatment billing payment household everything, and it won't go to the next patient because there is no segment there, right? Basically, so it will think like, okay, there is no segment, and it will throw a G. Okay, it won't fetch the very next until unless you are handling this G. Okay, in your status code. See, let me put the patient there, so that here it is fetching only the treatment, right? Let me put on the patient there. Okay, instead of this, it will, okay, basically it should fetch all the patient dependents. Okay, see now, I think we'll get the same error since we didn't handle GE here as well, and it didn't went to end of database basically. Okay, yeah, so that's why we are getting this error. But anyway, the first fetch would be fine, so that's why I'm showing it. I'm pretty sure the first fetch would be good. See, so I'm giving patient, right? Patient here. So what it fetched? It fetched the illness first, and then the treatment, and then billing, and then the payment. All its dependents in the hierarchy order it fetched, right? Illness it fetched first, treatment it fetched, billing it fetched, payment it fetched, and then household it fetched, right? So depending on the parent, it will fetch all the dependents that GNP call. and there is no segment after that, so it throws G error. So if I handle this G error saying like wait a second, we can handle that. So we'll see like what we can say. Mm, yeah, we can say like this: if statement, mm, if states, if status equal to G, mm, see again issue a GN so that it will be moved to the very next segment. Okay, so and no need to write G because it is parent, right, basically. So now what it will do, if I mean we can end it here. Okay, and if so, if it is G, again it is gonna issue G and called, and then it is gonna till in loop. Since only after GE it will it will come out, right? So let us run this and see how the data are fetched. Hmm. Uh, so as per my coding, it should fetch all the patients except patient. I have run it. Okay, sorry, I didn't need to compile it first. Okay, so compiled. Maxi see why. Okay, something what I have done. I have written only two codes. Not sure why we are getting. Okay, G won't be handled, I guess. Okay, we can give another one constant, make it as G. Okay, G. Okay, now I think we won't get the maxi C now. I mean zero. Mostly we will get zero, I guess. Yes. So let me run this. Okay. So since I have handled the loop very perfectly, I'm getting maxi C zero now. It's not throwing error, right? So this is how you are handling the status code matters in IMS DB mostly. So as you can see, first it fetched illness treatment payment, and then it made a GA. It is moving one level above because after household, it is again going into patient in the next call. So it is see here also it is GA. So from where to GA it came. After fetching billing, it went GA status code. So okay, billing, and then billing finished, and then the payment. Okay, actually, mm, it's the billing part, and then the payment got fetched once the billing is done, and from actually from treatment also we should get GA because after treatment it is moving one level up, right? Okay, might be not giving the proper loop. Anyway, if it is going one level above, we will be getting this GA thing. Okay, and then it is fetching the very next record jaundice and its next treatment thing. Okay, so that's how it works. And at last, once it is since we have handled G perfectly, it is throwing GB end of database. Okay, so how you are handling the I mean status code matters in IMS DB. Okay, so pretty much GNP is also covered. Next we'll go with the insert, and I will explain about delete. Okay, so in the delete call itself, we need to hold and run, so mostly it is also done. So we'll go with insert then. I have a data. Let me check. Some data is there for, okay. Here they are illness they are inserting. Okay, putting it as cough. Hmm. So currently in our cough is not there, right? In our input, yeah, cough is not there. So it should put another data, and see, you can't, I mean, after patient, see, first you should insert, if you are inserting two fields, means first you need to insert the what, patient, and then only you can insert the illness, right? See, see for, so because it should be hierarchical insert, otherwise it will throw error. Okay, uh, let me put it as 5. Sorry, 5 is already there. Let me put it as 6. Okay, and here I will put it as 6. So cough, I'm inserting sixth segment and inserting two segments. Since we already have this program, right? And in the previous video we have compiled it, so I think I just run this insert program. I mean, in the previous thing I have used load, now I'm using I as insert, right? So uh, we can change. So that's the difference between load and insert. Okay, and g dot in file will give it as 1. Let me run it 2 times so that we can check what is a duplicate insert as well. What is the status code you will get whenever there is a duplicate insert, right? So I have ran the code 2 times. Let me check the first status code. So here the status code is spaces. That means it has inserted. There is no issue there. But in the second insert, you would not get II duplicate insert. Okay, because you are easy. You are inserting duplicate records. That's why you are getting II. And here it is inserted properly. You are getting spaces, right? See, since the flow is not, we haven't given any SSA there. What happened? It would have inserted in the very first segment. Okay, first segment of I mean patient, first root segment. So that's the problem. If you are not giving the hierarchy properly, then it will behave in a different way. So always give the hierarchy properly. Okay. So if I check it now, let us check our KSDS file. See, I think we would have gotten it in first line as well as the last line. Yeah, okay, we have. Okay, it have inserted 2 times at the last. So uh, actually it has inserted 2 times. See, there is one rule operand is there. Okay, it will be defined by DBA only. See, for such kind of calls, the rule operand is like first here rule operand is like first here and last something they would give. Okay, so it's like if you are giving, I mean, if they have given first, it will put it in first segment. Okay, if they have given it as last, it will put it in last segment. So in our case, I think mostly they have give it as last, so that's why it has inserted in the last segment 2 times. Okay, so basically, yeah, this is how insert works. So I just want you guys to know about the insert. Next we'll go on the delete part. Okay, so since we have inserted this wrongly, we will delete it. That's it, right? We will delete it. So in the delete, if I'm not using it in a loop, how it will delete? Like the very first record would be deleted, right? See, even though I'm issuing delete, since cough is there 2 times, if I'm giving illness name equal to cough and issuing a delete, it is not, it is gonna delete only one data. I mean, if I'm not putting it in a loop, right? So let us see which data would be deleted. I think mostly this, which is the line. This 54. I mean, the whole segment would be deleted. And guys, if you are deleting the root segment, its corresponding child segment would be deleted. Okay. So if you want to delete the entire, it's not like you need to delete the child segment. You just delete the root segment. Once you delete the root segment, all its corresponding child would be deleted. So if you want to delete, for example, if you want to delete both illness and treatment, just delete the illness. Treatment would it go away. Yes, it's dependent on that, and basically it would be deleted. Let us see, like, we'll delete the cough thing because we have inserted it newly, right? We'll delete the cough. So, okay, uh, where is our Cobol? Okay, so we'll issue one delete. Now you guys know how the loop works. So I will issue a single delete call. Okay. So before deleting, you need to issue what? You need to issue one. I mean, you need to issue hold call. Either it should be GHU or GHN or GHNP. Okay. So if you are not issuing any hold call and you are just giving simple delete, it is not gonna work. See what happens now. It won't delete. It will throw. It won't throw abund. Okay. It will throw status code DJ basically. So here, what I want to delete illness, right? So SSA. Okay, I have already given. Okay, SSA ill is already there. Let me change it to cough. Okay, I'm just saying. Right now, I'm issuing a delete card. See how it works. So I'm just doing a one-time delete. Okay, and there is only one PCB is there. Okay, so only one PCB is enough. And IO area, that is fine. It is in working storage only, right? So here, what is the PCB I have given? Okay, PCB mask. Okay, fine. So this looks good for me. We'll run it and see. Okay, read NAT, right? Okay, so now if you run the JCL, okay, so as I told, if you get maxi 0, it's not like your delete is successful. You need to check the status codes. Okay, so this is previous one, right? Okay, I have high hinge. That is fine. See, totally I have submitted few jobs. See, you will get DJ. Okay, and if you're not holding that, you are gonna get DJ every time. Okay, so whenever you are deleting or replacing something, just give a um, I mean give, where is it? give a hold. Okay, GNHU. So now I mean CC A GHU, and let me put illness, right? SSA would be illness. But okay, I'm giving cough as input. So I mean, totally I have mistakenly ran two more jobs for insert. Okay, so mostly I think like four coughs would be there inside our storage thing. Let us check. Okay, so I think one cough would be, I mean, three coughs are there. Okay, so one cough would should delete in our delete, because we are issuing only one delete, right? If we are putting it in a loop, it will delete everything. Since we are issuing only one delete, this would be deleted. Okay, so where is our load? Here it is. Submit. Okay, max is 0. That is good. Okay, fine. Okay, so it should be 2 now. Okay, delete is not proper. We'll check what happened. Somehow it went to patient. I'm giving, it should not be patient actually. Okay, it is also not getting any data, so GH. Okay, DA. Okay, let me check what is DA is. Status code DA, right? I think it is also same as that replace or attempt to change segment key field. Okay, there are so there are 2 to 3 fields are there. That's why it's not deleting. Okay, so it's not like we need to give the segment field, but if the key fields are same, I think it is not able to delete. Let us see. I mean, instead of putting an insert there, we can also replace it, but anyway, I'm just trying to edit it. Okay, let us put it like something. Okay, we'll check now. Since the key fields are same, it's not allowing us to delete. In IMS, it's not like we need to give the key field. Okay, for the deletion purpose. Okay, it is throwing the same. It's like a simple where condition only. Let me check on that. Okay, and it is going in patient segment, right? It's not even in, I mean, it's not in illness actually. Why it is going to patient segment? Okay, might be the case. Let's check what is the SSA I have given. Okay. Okay. SSA cough. SSA illness only I have given, but somehow see I don't know, like where's the segment area here? That's why it is taking incorrectly. Okay. Okay, I think now it should work. Okay. Okay, my mistakes. I sorry. So let us give it as cough. Okay, even I need to know whether it is deleting properly or not. Okay, so now let us run. Now it is correct. Where is our JCL? Okay, it should have deleted now. We'll check. We'll check the spool first, whether it went to correct segment or not. See, now it has deleted because now the status code is spaces. Okay, and I think it would have deleted only one. I mean, one cough. We had two more cough. Since we haven't done it in loop, it would have deleted only one cough. Okay, and okay. I mean, deletion. Yeah, this React thing would be there. So might be okay. We'll do one thing. We'll delete this particular patient. Okay. I mean, after React, I think that deletion part would be successful, and it would be reflecting during that time. Okay. We'll do one thing. We'll try to delete the patient thing. So it is giving a cert. So now I'm giving the SSA as patient. So where is the patient? So patient is like I mean patient name. It's not like I need to give this key. It's just a simple where condition and it is gonna delete, right? So name equal to 10 bytes. Okay. So totally you should give 10 bytes. So name. Okay. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me insert 8, 9, 10. Right. And if okay, this should be also 31, I guess. Yeah, it should be 31. So we'll delete this. Okay, I'm not giving the key, just issuing a different segment. So I'm just giving the patient, and I'm just see the last delete also is successful. Mostly the data is deleted. The thing you guys know, right? After React only, like if I'm giving the read, okay, we'll go with the read first. You can just run the read, right? Read program, okay. And if I'm issuing a GN call, okay, this thing not needed because I'm not gonna issue GNP now. Okay, uh, let me delete this whole thing. So I'm issuing a GN call, okay, till end of database, and displaying the segment and this GN. Okay, GN. I'm just, which one we have deleted? Illness, right? Just issuing illness field. Okay. Mm, illness. Okay, let me issue patient and patient number equals 005, right? 006, I guess, yes. And I will issue one GN. Okay, so it is gonna fetch 006 all its dependents basically, right? So SSA, it is unqualified or what? Unqualified patient. Okay, let us check. Read program, right? mm, Compilation, oh sorry, it should be read PMG. Okay, the other program. Okay, I'm getting max. Okay, might be the period I have missed, I guess, for both. Let me give on the period. I have given okay, wait a second, why I haven't changed? Okay, 31. Okay, there I have changed. I mean, why it is throwing? Okay, as I thought, it is period. Okay, first let me run the read program. Yes, even I need to check whether it had deleted properly the last run, and then we'll go with the next delete. Okay, PMG. Okay, I think it is throwing error. Yep. Okay, might be I should have handled G, not this one. Oh no. Okay. I mean, I should have given the illness and its corresponding read. Okay, I missed the order actually. Okay, the SSA is only in, I mean, let us check like illness. Okay, value illness. So let me delete this. It will fetch only the illness data now, and GB should work fine in this case. We'll see. Okay, and just see. So some error is there. What is the error? SSA illness discarded. Okay, I should have given only sorry guys. Okay, so SSA unqualified, right? One. We'll check in now. Okay, read program is good. We'll run it now. We'll check. Okay. Mm, I mean something is throwing spaces only, but not sure why it's not able to. I mean some issues there actually. Let us check. Function PCB unqualified. I have given path call only, right? Yes, AP only. Mm, Pump count is good. SSA, SSA is not good. 8. Okay, so that's the thing, guys. If something is wrong, I mean, the PSP it should be. We'll check whether now it is coming correctly or not. Not yet. Mm, I mean, it is getting the first key. Somehow it is not moving. Okay. Read program. Using mask. Mm, So yeah. Okay, comma is not there. Okay, so read. It should be working. I mean, we'll run and see. Okay. So here. Okay, it ran. Mm. So that's the thing. If you are missing something in the call or something, we are not getting. Okay, so I mean, I made the mistake. So see here. See, only two coughs are there since we have deleted one cough. And during the rearc, the three coughs, I mean, rearc section, you know, right? The spaces and deletion will happen during that. And during the rearc, I think like it will delete the that entry. And then, as you can see here, it is having three things, right? So during the rearc, it will get deleted. Okay, so that's why that now the deletion is successful only. Anyway, we will delete one more thing, and I have coded it already, right? This nat thing. So we'll check. So right now I'm deleting the patient name AD this thing. Okay, and I'm giving SSA as patient. I'm holding that, and once hold is successful, I'm deleting it. We'll see whether that segment is deleting or not. Okay. uh, okay, so as I told, it's not like we need to give the primary key to delete it. We can give any field. Based on your call, it will delete that particular value. Okay, in the segment. So if I'm giving this, the entire, I mean, segment would be deleted I mean the entire entry. Since I'm deleting the whole root segment, its corresponding dependence, everything will be deleted. Okay, so that's how the deletion works. We'll see here whether it is successful or not. And then we'll go with the KSDS files. I mean, since the root is deleted, I think mostly it should delete there in the KSDS file, uh, because it does not need a to reorganize the data. Basically, we are deleting the root, right? Anyway, we'll see whether the entry is there or not. Mostly it should not be there, I think. Okay, yeah, entry is not there. So this 006 is deleted. ABC 0, okay, this name. So yeah, that's all about the hold and each and every DLI function calls. Uh, that's it, guys. Okay, I'm concluding it for today. We'll see the rest in the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.